Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to upload a custom font in your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my Wix website, and we'll just click on add elements, and then from here just click on text and then just add a text in your website. So I'll just choose this one. So from here we just need to go here to the inspector tool and then scroll down and then find font, and then we see the font style here. Just click on it and then we'll just click on upload fonts. So you need to take in mind that your fonts need to be in TTF, OTF, WOFF, and or WOFF too. So in order to upload your font, just click on upload font, or if you have it open in your folder, so just drag and drop it into the website. We'll just wait for this to upload. And then once it's done uploading, we can now click on done, and then we can choose our font that we just uploaded. So we can choose from all fonts, we can choose uploaded fonts, and then we'll choose our font that we just uploaded, and then we'll wait for it to appear right here. And then there we have our uploaded font. So if you don't have any fonts, you can go to a website like thefont.com, but take in mind that some fonts right here are only available for personal use. Make sure that you're using a font that is available for commercial use if you're going to publish your website. But if you're going to use it for personal purposes, it's no problem to use the fonts right here. So that is it in how to upload your own custom font in Wix Studio, and I hope you learned how to do it. And thank you for watching this video.